Today we'll be making 4 different sauces for our Hainanese chicken rice. But before we start, please support this channel by liking this video and subscribe below so you don't miss an update. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. Now let's get started. Sauce number 1, the easiest and quickest sauce. These are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon pure sesame seed oil, 3 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chili paste or more if you like it spicy. Stir and it's ready. Sauce number 2, ginger sauce. Peel fresh ginger. I peel the skin using a spoon. Then slice so it's easier to blend. We need 150 grams. Then blend in a blender with 1 tablespoon water, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons neutral oil until it becomes smooth. This is what it looks like. Cook in a pan with some salt and 3 tablespoons neutral oil until it looks like a paste. Then sauce number 2 is done. Sauce number 3, ginger green onion sauce. In my opinion, this sauce is interchangeable with sauce number 2. Peel and slice 50 grams of ginger. I cut the ginger like matchsticks first, then I cut again so they look like tiny cubes. Then I slice 50 grams of green onions. This is what it looks like. Heat up about 1/4 cup neutral oil. When the oil is hot, turn off the heat, pour the cut up ginger and green onion, and add 1/4 teaspoon salt and stir. Sauce number 3 is ready. Sauce number 4, chili garlic ginger sauce. Put 50 grams sliced ginger in the blender. Add 3 tablespoons chicken broth. Blend by pulsing and scraping the blender several times, adding chicken broth by the tablespoon if needed. Then take it out from the blender and squeeze the juice out. Peel a large clove of garlic and grate it. Put some fresh red bird's eye chili pepper in the blender and add the ginger juice, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, and blend until smooth. Pour in a serving dish and add the grated garlic. The 4 sauces are now done. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.